Welcome to the Auto King Crown, your premier source for in-depth motorcycle insights. Today, we're unveiling the much-anticipated KTM 990 RCR, KTM's latest entry into the supersport segment. This motorcycle marks a significant return for KTM to the sport bike arena, blending cutting-edge technology with the brand's racing heritage. Let's delve into what makes the 990 RCR a standout machine in today's competitive market: striking design and aerodynamics. The KTM 990 RCR commands attention with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. Drawing inspiration from KTM's MotoGP endeavors, the bike features sharp lines and a sleek profile that not only enhance its visual appeal but also its aerodynamic efficiency. The front fascia is dominated by a distinctive LED headlight, seamlessly integrated into the fairing to reduce drag. The minimalist tail section and sculpted fuel tank contribute to a riding posture optimized for both agility and control, embodying KTM's commitment to form-following function: powerful twin-cylinder engine. At the heart of the 990 RCR lies a newly developed 990cc parallel twin engine. This powerplant delivers approximately 123 horsepower and 75 feet lbs of torque, providing a thrilling yet manageable riding experience. Engineered for both track prowess and street usability, the engine's linear power delivery ensures confidence-inspiring acceleration across the rev range. Advanced features like ride-by-wire throttle and multiple riding modes allow riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences and riding conditions. Advanced chassis and suspension. The 990 RCR's chassis is a testament to KTM's engineering excellence. Utilizing a lightweight trellis frame, the bike achieves an optimal balance between rigidity and weight, enhancing handling precision. The suspension setup includes fully adjustable WP components, allowing riders to fine-tune the ride quality to their liking. This combination ensures exceptional stability during high-speed cornering and responsive feedback, making the 990 RCR equally adept on both road and track. Cutting-edge electronics suite. Equipped with a comprehensive electronics package, the 990 RCR offers riders enhanced control and safety. Features such as lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and a quick shifter come standard, reflecting KTM's dedication to integrating modern technology without compromising the pure riding experience. The full-color TFT display provides clear and customizable information, ensuring riders stay informed without distraction. Ergonomics and rider comfort. While performance is paramount, KTM has also prioritized rider comfort in the 990 RCR. The ergonomics are designed to accommodate a range of riding styles, from aggressive track sessions to longer road rides. Adjustable foot pegs and handlebars allow for a personalized fit, and the seat is crafted to provide support without sacrificing movement. This thoughtful approach ensures that the 990 RCR is not only a formidable performer but also a practical choice for daily riding. The KTM 990 RCR signifies a bold return to the supersport category, blending race-inspired performance with everyday usability. Its striking design, potent engine, and advanced features position it as a compelling option for riders seeking a dynamic and versatile motorcycle. What are your thoughts on KTM's latest offering? Share your opinions in the comments below. Stay connected with the Auto King Crown for more reviews, insights, and the latest in the motorcycling world. Until next time, ride safe and embrace the thrill of the ride.